Well, guess what, folks? I was out doing maple tapping earlier, and now I'm actually over at my daughter's house to put some of my plants in her nursery. We started these lettuce seedlings probably back in middle of January, and now we're going to put them into her little nursery over there with the T11 lights. These are some of the tulip bulbs actually these are daffodils, sorry. These are hyacinths and some crocuses coming along, which we started to force way back in November, which we'll show you when it comes around October, November, how we do all that. Very, very simple. And so we'll put these things in her little grow house there, and they'll be just come along beautifully. There we go. We'll set these in. I don't know what height we should do them at, but these are going to get pretty tall pretty quickly. I don't know where you want to put these.
I can go on the...
Actually, these can go out in the windowsill.
Yeah.
There we go. And this here, you want to go like that? Or up here? How about
there
here?
You go.
Beautiful. And some little crocuses coming along. These need a little water. And some celery seeds to get started there. And that is as easy. This is a neat little system that we have here that my daughter has. She closes the little sides up to it and makes it nice and humid in there, and the plants love it. Very little electricity to run because it's T11 bulbs, and that's all we have to do.